In the heart of Zimbabwe.
Welcome to Zimbo Menu. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to use the Zimbo Menu Consumer app effectively.
From the Lowell streets to the suburbs of Harare, we bring the flavors of sin, delivered with care. Zimbo Menu, just a tap away.
Assuming you've already installed the Zimbo Menu Consumer app, let's start with signing up. Click Sign Up and enter your name, email, and phone number. Upload your ID and a selfie for verification. You will receive a one-time verification code via email. Please wait about 30 seconds for it to arrive.
From your favorite local spot, we've got it already. No more waiting in line.
Once you receive the verification code, enter it in the app to activate your account, then log in. Now you're in. Browse a wide variety of food-related products. Use the search bar to find specific items or filter by categories. You can also check reviews of stores to make informed choices. Once you find what you want, select the quantity and click Add to Cart. You can view your selections by clicking the cart icon at the top right. When you're ready to buy, click Checkout. Enter your delivery address, choose your payment method, EcoCash or cash on delivery, and select the option to send the order via WhatsApp for your convenience. Review your order and click Place Order. You can track your order in real time through the app. Updates will also be sent via WhatsApp. You can contact sellers directly via the WhatsApp button for any inquiries. If you need assistance, our 24-hour live support is available through the Contact Us form or WhatsApp on the contact page. Enjoy your shopping experience on Zimbo Menu and savor the flavors of Zimbabwe.